next topic is path. So path in the Linux or Unix machine. So what are the path and how many types of path and how we can represent the path in the Linux or Unix machine. So if I type pwd, it means my present working directory. So what is my present working directory to here? /user/Valmiki Mandal. Okay. So for the practice purpose, inside this directory I made one directory is called Valmiki. Okay, this one. So how we can go for that folder? So cd Valmiki. Okay. So now we can see one more time pwd, right? So what is my present working directory now? My present working directory is /user/Valmiki Mandal/Valmiki. Inside the Valmiki folder, I created two more folder for the practice purpose. One is the C programming and second is the Python. Okay. So let comes to the pwd one more time. Okay, this is my present working directory. Okay. So before that you can see here the tilt. Okay, tilt. And we have to understand this one through the graphical representation only. Okay, so comes to here, just clear the screen pwd. So where I am in the user, and inside the user Valmiki Mandal folder is there. Inside the Valmiki Mandal folder, one more folder is there called is the Valmiki. Inside the Valmiki, two more files are there. On that file we have to write the code. Okay, so we have to understand this point. So slash is the starting point of the Linux or Unix file system. So what is the user? This one. Okay, so this is the starting point. Before the user means my slash is there. That one is the starting point of the Linux and Unix machine. So let's see also cd cd. Okay, let's see the slash is the starting point of the Linux or Unix operating system. So whatever the folder and repository are, all are present in the slash only. So that's why we are saying to here, before the user our slash is there. Okay, slash is the starting point. If you see slash, when we list all the folder, then your folder will come to here user. Okay, so come back to there only, cd, so pwd. So right now is the user. So first one is the user. Okay, user. Yeah, in the Linux machine we can say home, and this is for the Unix machine. Okay, home. Then after that, what is that? Valmiki Mandal. Okay, Valmiki Mandal. After the Valmiki Mandal, one more folder is called Valmiki. Okay, Valmiki. So pwd Valmiki. Okay, we can see Valmiki. So where we are working now? And the Valmiki. So we are going to work to here only. Okay, this is for the this folder I make for the practice purpose. So we are going to write our program to on here only. Okay, so we can say here. So what is the user? User we can say here. We can say also. Sorry, yeah. Here we can say home of the all local user. Okay, whatever the local users are present, all the local user are present on the user home only. Inside the user or home, my local user is the Valmiki Mandal. As you can see, just cd. Okay, this is my pwd. This is my local username. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now after that Valmiki. Okay, so and the second one, this one is the particular, means local user, home of the particular user. Okay, particular user. Okay, so home of the particular user, and this one here I am going to work. So this is here I am going to work. This is the folder where we are going to work. Okay, now just I am coming back to my folder. Okay, pwd. Now whatever you are seeing to here, this is the path. When I type the pwd path, so this is the path only. Okay, when I type the pwd present working directory, so this will give the path. So this is the path is the in the Linux or Unix machine, path are two types. So first one is the relative path, and so first one is the absolute path and second one is the relative path. So path in the Linux or Unix machine, let me type better, in command based environment, sorry for spelling mistake, environment, Linux, yeah, Unix, path can be represent in two way. Okay, so first one is the absolute path, then second is the relative path, yeah, we can say reference path. Okay, reference path. Path in the Unix and Linux and path is the two types. Okay, so absolute path representation is the slash. Okay, we can represent the absolute path through the slash only, as you can see here, slash. This is the absolute path. Okay, for the relative path we are going to use two special symbol. One is the dot and second is the double dot. Okay, dot represent present directory and double dot represent its parent directory. Okay, parent directory. So what does mean dot and double dot? Okay, comes to here. How means first we'll go for the present directory. Dot cd, let me clear, cd dot, so it will represent the present working directory. So what is my present working directory? So this is my present working directory, and cd double dot represent its parent directory. So what is the parent directory of Valmiki folder? If we see that this directory, the parent directory is the Valmiki mandal. So if I hit this command, we will redirect to the Valmiki mandal only. Let's see. Now pwd, so where I am in the Valmiki mandal. Okay, so whatever inside the Valmiki folder, okay, so that one I made here, you can see. So inside the Valmiki folder we have two more folder. One is the C programming and second one is the Python programming. Okay, so let's ls. So as you can see, C programming and one more is the Python programming. Okay, let's come to the C programming only. So how to come? cd programming. Okay, now I am working on the C programming. Okay, and now I want to go C programming to Python programming. Okay, I want to go C programming to Python programming. So how to go? There is two way. First way is, as I say, for this one absolute path, and second way is the relative path. Okay, so there are two ways. So first one, so we will go first to the relative path only, means reference path only, through the reference path only. So how to go? So let's see here, cd double dot. When I type the double dot, it means when I type the double dot cd, when I type the double dot, it means comes to here only, where in Valmiki only. When I see, we are on here on the C programming. When I type to the cd, we are here on the Valmiki. Okay, so right now we are on the which repository? C programming. I am going to here Python. Okay, so how to go? cd, when I do the cd, then double dot, this is for the reference path, then it will come back to here only, where in the Valmiki only, then slash. Now the folder name, what is the folder name? Python. Let's see, it's coming or not. python. Okay, let's see, pwd, we are on the Python. Okay, so we are successfully comes to here. So just tell me one thing. So we are use the which one? Reference path. We are using the reference path. Now the second challenge is, I want to move to here. How to move? How to change the directory? We are on the Python. I want to go to the C programming. Where? C programming. How to do? cd double dot backslash. Okay, backslash. So I want to go to the C programming. Okay, now see where we are on the C programming. Okay, so these things we can do on this will also, means absolute path through the this way we can do also. So how to do? Let's see. Okay, so we have to do cd, we have to pass full kind of this. How to pass? Let's see. suppose, okay, suppose I am where I am right now. I am in C program. I want to come in the where I want to come in the Python. Okay, so how to do this through the absolute path? We will. I have to rename this. I have to add the Python. Okay, let's see pwd. So here is the Python. So we you are going you will be means if you want to like change the directory, then there are two way. Okay, path is the two way. Through this two way you can change the directory, you can go that particular directory also. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so we can meet in the next next topic.